In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice from your purchase history for a return package. If you need to include a printed invoice inside a return, the process is usually quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can follow along without confusion and make sure the correct document is printed and ready to go in your package. To begin, sign into your account and go to the top account menu. This is typically the main menu area where your account-related options are stored. From there, open Purchase History. This section contains a record of the items you've bought, so it's the best place to locate the order connected to your return. Take a moment to find the correct purchase, especially if you've placed more than one order recently. It's always a good idea to double-check the item and date before moving forward so you don't print the wrong invoice. Once you've found the purchase you need, click View Order Details next to that order. This will open a more detailed page showing the full information for that specific purchase. On this screen, you should be able to review the order contents and confirm again that it matches the item you're returning. Being careful at this stage can help prevent mistakes later, particularly if your return package needs to include paperwork for processing. After that, select the Print Invoice option shown on the screen. The wording may appear exactly as Print Invoice, or it may look slightly different depending on the platform layout, but it should clearly indicate that it will open a printable version of your order document. When the invoice appears, make sure it loads completely and check that the details are readable. If needed, you can adjust your printer settings before printing, such as paper size or orientation, so the invoice comes out clean and complete. Finally, print the physical copy and place it inside your return package. Make sure the page is not cut off and that the important order information is visible. A neatly printed invoice can help the return process go more smoothly, since it gives the receiving team the information they need to identify your order. And that's it. Once the invoice is inside the package, you're ready to continue with the rest of your return preparation.